Hello everyone, I'm Alicia. Welcome to my Beautiful Nights channel. For this video, I'm going to open up another monthly subscription from Czech Beads exclusive. And of course, I will have a link for the subscription down there below the video so you guys can go and check it out for yourself. So let's go ahead and open this up and see what this month's theme is. Okay, this month's theme is the Sea Treasure. And there is... says there's 20 items, but again they broke it down into lots. You can see there's 2 of this kind of bead, 4 of that kind of bead, so there's actually more than 20 items in this box. So let's go ahead and see what we have. Okay, we have pearls here, and by the way, this is Czech Beads exclusive, so everything in this subscription box is Czech beads. And there's also findings, which are from the Czech Republic. So these pearls here, what I'm trying to say, are Czech pearls. They're not just regular glass pearls. They're Czech, so they're really good quality. And it's a 6mm bead. And then we have a huge one here. This is a different shade of pink. I like this color more, that shade there. It's beautiful. This is a really big pearl. I'm thinking maybe 14mm, and again it's Czech. And what I've really noticed the difference between regular glass pearls that you can get really cheap and Czech pearls is the hole. Do you see how clean looking the hole is? A lot of times regular glass pearls, the hole does not look pretty. Sometimes the paint on the pearl has chipped away, or the hole is clogged, and the holes are very clean on Czech pearls. Okay, so I'll flip that back over. And then we have some Czech drucks here in this gorgeous color. I've gotten a color like this before. It was in seed beads and I think 6mm drucks. Anyways, it was, sorry, I have a cold. It was brown iris. Now, this color here is not, it's obviously not brown, but when you get a brown iris Czech bead, the color mix has this color in it, and it's really pretty. It's like a charcoal color. It's so gorgeous. Okay, so those are Czech drucks, and I think these are 10mm, by the way. I'll find out when I go through the list, and I match everything up to the list. And then we have some 2-hole lentils, which I do not own this at all. I have 1-hole lentils. I have a lot of those, and I have 2 different colors, I think, in the quadrilentil, which has 4 holes, and these here have 2, and they're so darn cute. They look like buttons. I love this color. It's gorgeous, really pretty. And then we have some more 2-hole lentils, pink, beautiful. And we have some stretch cord here, and this looks like the 0.5mm size of stretch cord, by the way. It's very thin. And then we have some more Czech drucks in a silver, but these look like they have specks on them. I'm gonna open this up. Oops. These are, I'm thinking, 10mm, and they have little gray specks on them. Can you guys see that? They're really pretty. And these look great with those. Oh boy. Gotta close the bag. Here it goes. Okay. And then we have more quadrilentils in a peach color. Peach. This one is more of a cream. And let's see, more quadrilentils. This is a pink color with like brown on it. I think I have this color in Super Duos. I don't remember what it's called. Here are some 4mm Czech pearls. This is a matte pink. Those are gorgeous. So here it is in the regular shiny, and that's the match right there. And then we have some more quadrilentils in purple. I wonder why they have the counts like this, because look how each bag has like a different amount. This one has 6. And here is another one. This one has 6 also. Blue. Beautiful colors. Here is a pearl white. And then we have some short eye pins. And then more quadrilentals. This color's neat. I have this in seed beads and I just love it. Czech seed beads. It's really cool. It looks so aged. And then we have some more ball head pins. And these are earring bags. Like stud earring bags. And we have, oh my gosh, is there going to be earrings in here? So we have those? Yeah. Oh, these are cool. I don't have earrings like this. So there's a loop there, and it's a big, it's like a half a ball at the top. So these here go together. I need to put these in the same bag. But then we have, what are these called? I know what these are called. I'm sick right now, so my mind's really bad. Pinch beads. That's what they're called. I have these currently in purple in different shades, and I think I have some other colors, but right now all I can think of is purple off the top of my head. Love this pink. I have this pink in a tile bead, and it's just gorgeous, pearly pink. Here's blue. I love the pastel colors. They're so pretty together. And oh boy, it looks like we have some really good seed beads, and I'm excited about this because I do not have this color in this size. So these are 6/0 seed beads. They're Czech, and as you can see, they're perfectly round. I love Czech seed beads. These are 6/0s, and these here are 8/0s, and this is a pearl too. But this is more of an opaque pearl, and I think this is called Ceylon. This color here, it's spelled Ceylon. Ceylon. These are not the same. I don't know if my camera is showing this or not, but this is almost has like a transparency through it, where light could actually pass through it, but this bead here is opaque. Opaque pearl. And then we have some more Czech trucks, or are these pearls? Nope. I think they are drucks because of the hole. They don't look like they're painted. I think there is some kind of coating on them. These are really neat. They actually look like they're moldy. Or have moss or something on them. Pretty cool. And I think they're 8mm. And then we have some... Are these pearls? Yes, these are pearls. It's like a little twisted round pearl. And here are some more pearls. Kind of like a potato. And again, these are all Czech pearls. And here is an amazing purple color. These are gorgeous. These are Czech drucks. It's a matte. And I love these two colors together. Gorgeous. Also, I love the blue with this. Pink, purple, and blue. Those three are so pretty. And what's this? Here are some more pearls. I think these are 14 or 16mm. It's a very light pink. And let's see what else we have. These are teardrops. These are called pips. P-I-P-S. Pips. It's a pearl white pastel. I've used these before in a ring. It was a flower ring. And here are some owls. These are so cute. I've been getting these owls in this subscription box, and I have not seen this owl shape anywhere else. It's really cute. It's a very small owl. And then we have some more, I don't know if these are pearls. I want to say they are because of the hole. 8mm pearls. And here are some more pearls. This is a matte. It's a dark black pearl. And what else do we have? Oh my gosh, look at these daggers. These are to die for. I have to go on their site and put in the product code. This is the etched glass. Looks like it's etched. The color's incredible. One side's like rose gold, and there's this incredible purple on the other side. And there's 6 here, so this is enough for me to make a flower with. So that's exciting. Which side do I use? Because both sides are so pretty. I love those. Okay, and we have one more bag left, and these are pearls too. Really big. These are huge. Are these bigger than these? Yes, they are. So these might be like a 14, and these might be a 16 millimeter size. Really pretty. So I'm going to go through the list and see what everything is called, and I'll be back. Okay, so I put everything in order according to the list, and I did want to point out that if you look at the holes in the pearls and in the Czech Drux, you could tell if it's a pearl or not because you could see the paint in a hole. So these two here, I didn't see the paint in a hole, which leads me to believe that they're Drux and not pearls. They're not painted. But there is some kind of like a plating on them that they do. Okay, so starting at the top, there are dagger beads, 5 millimeter by 16 millimeter. Owl beads, 15 millimeter by 7 millimeter. Petal beads, 5 by 7 millimeter. Glass pearl beads, 14 millimeter, and it says 2 lots, so these two are the same size. And then there are pearl glass beads, 12 millimeter. Pearl glass beads, 8 millimeter. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4 lots. And then there is glass beads, 10 millimeter, and then they're pearls, by the way. And then there is pearl glass beads, 9 millimeter, and then seed beads, 6/0 and 8/0. And then there are pinch beads, 2 lots. These are 5 millimeter beads. And then earring findings, 8 millimeter by 12 by 4 millimeter. And then there is clasp stopper, 5 millimeter. There are head pins, 25 millimeter by 0.5 millimeter. Eye pins, 22 millimeter by 0.8 millimeter. Round beads, 10 millimeters, and there's 2 lots of those. And then there are lintel beads, 6 millimeter lintels, and there are 8 lots. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then we have pearl glass beads, 6 millimeter. Pearl glass beads, 4 millimeter, and this is the elastic stretch cord. This is actually 0.4 millimeter. I didn't know that. I thought that the smallest elastic cord was 0.5 millimeter, and then 0.7, and then 1 millimeter elastic cord. But this one's actually thinner than the one that I thought was the thinnest. So this is all the stuff that was in the box, and again, I will put this subscription down there below the video so you guys can check it out for yourself. This is it. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like this video, leave me a comment, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos. Make sure you click the bell button so you get notified when I upload new videos, and like me on Facebook. And don't forget to share pictures of the jewelry you've made from my videos on my Facebook page, and follow me on Pinterest. And you can also follow me on Instagram and share pictures of the jewelry you have made from my videos there. Thanks for watching.